What happened, Aisha? Why are you crying? Are you scared of something?
I don't understand. How could shaitan become so powerful that he even came into my dream to scare me?
Okay, come with me. Aisha, remember I told you we must recite Surah Al-falaq before sleeping. Have you again forgotten to recite?
Oh, yes. I might have forgot to recite Surah Al-falaq. In Surah Al-falaq, we ask Allah to protect us from the evil of all His creations, which include Iblis and hellfire. It also contains a request for protection from specific creatures, such as the darkness of night. Most importantly, this surah is used to ask Allah for protection from any envious person and his envy.
Yes, correct. So today we will memorize Surah Al-falaq. Let's begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. صدق الله العظيم.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful.
Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of the daybreak, from the evil of that He created, and from the evil of darkness when it settles, and from the evil of blowers and knots, and from the evil of envier when he envies.
Al-falaq means daybreak and ghasaq means darkness. Al-uqad means knot.
The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, would get ready for sleep. He would blow into his hands, recite the 2 chapters of refuge, Surah Al-falaq and Surah An-Nas, and he would wipe his hands over his body.
So remember, we must recite it before going to bed.
If you like our video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.